Hello everyone, this is Susan Stewart at Colorful Dimensions, creator and owner of Colorful Dimensions. Come on in, see what I'm up to today. Give you a sneak peek of what I'm working on. Maybe it'll inspire you to work on your own. So let's take a look. Get you turned around here. And down we go. And hopefully I won't make you completely dizzy. Prototype Easter basket. This is the first one. This is completed. This is how it turned out. I think it's super, super, super cute. Oh my word. I had a blast working on this the last few days. I think it just turned out stinking adorable. The box is actually a popcorn box that I reconstructed, and there's already a fight going on in my family about this Easter basket, several family members want it bad. So, no, just kidding. Yeah, there's a fight going on. Anyway, so I'm in the process of making another one, and this is the base. And I still have a ways to go. I still need to put some reinforcement trim on the outside of my handle. And then I need to put my mats on so that I can put my decorative paper on. This little bunny here and the eggs are from May's stamp set. Mr. Big Ears 2.0. And after I got done coloring it, I actually made 4 of them, and I stacked, I fussy cutted it, a lot of it out, and then I stacked it with foam in between. And then I added, hold it closer to you, I guess. I added some gemstones. You can see the Deco foil that I've added. These are colored with alcohol markers, Adaxi alcohol markers. And make sure you can actually see this up close. The paper is from Color Block. It's in a big 12 by 12. I got it from Walmart. Then we have the Rick Rack. We have self-melted, I don't know what you'd call those. They're little plastic things for kids, and anyway, you melt them down and they come out little flat backs like this. Little flat back pearls. And then this is Rick Rack. This is ribbon out of my stash. Both ribbons. The Rick Rack is out of my stash. The little Easter bunny that you see down here at the bottom, that is part of that stamp set, along with the little chicks here. And this stamp is only, I don't know, 3 inches long, maybe 3.5. Measure the picture here. Oh, it's 4 inches. So what I did is I took a sheet of cardstock, and I took that stamp and I stamped it out once and then layered it right next to the other one and stamped it out again, so that I was building this border. And I left this strip about a 1/2 inch in height. It's either half an inch or an inch. Oh, it's an inch. Just trimmed above the ears. And then I put the rickrack over the top of it so you can't see the seam there. And the inside, I went ahead and matted the inside. I went shopping yesterday. Shopping again. These are little brads. They're just little brads. I don't know if you can see down in there. Yeah, it'd help if I held it up here and there we go. See, they're just little brads, little flower brads. Those were given to me, so they need to be used. I'm happy to use them. Sorry for the phone call. The answering machine will pick that up. So, let it finish ringing. Give it a second. I think it's done. Oh. So this one is going to be a boy bunny Easter basket. And I'm going to have to pause the video here, and we'll pick this up when I get further along. And if you're interested in seeing more of what happens with this Easter basket, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll see the progress of this Easter basket. You'll find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And I guess I'll talk to you guys later. See you in a few. Bye.